Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Samsung Galaxy which is stuck on Verizon screen. So here are guides for your boot loop, recovery mode and factory reset. Fix 1. Force restart your phone. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together for about 10 to 20 seconds. Release the buttons when the phone restarts. Check if it boots past the Verizon screen. Fix 2. Charge your phone. Connect your phone to the original Samsung charger. Charge it for at least 30 minutes and try turning it on again. Fix 3. Remove external accessories. Disconnect any connected devices including USB cables, SD card if your model has one, or SIM card which is optional for testing. Fix 4. Wipe the cache partition. Turn the phone off. If it won't turn off, you can wait until the battery drains or force it to shut down. Connect the phone to a computer with a USB cable if required by your model. Press and hold the volume up and power button until the Samsung recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight Wipe Cache Partition. Press the power button to select it. Choose Yes if prompted and select Reboot System now. Fix 5. Start in safe mode. Turn the phone off and turn it back on. When the Samsung logo appears, you can press and hold the volume down button. Continue holding it until the phone finishes booting. If safe mode appears in the corner of the screen, you can uninstall any recently installed apps and restart the phone. Fix 6. Check for software update. Go to Settings, select Software Update and tap Download and install. Install any available updates. Fix 7. Factory reset the phone. Boot into recovery mode. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset and confirm the reset. Choose Reboot System now. Fix 8. Repair the software. If the issue began after a failed update and the phone still won't boot, you may need to reinstall the firmware using Samsung official repair tools or visit a Samsung or Verizon service location for assistance. Fix 9. You can contact Samsung or Verizon support. If none of the above steps work, the phone may have a hardware issue or severely corrupted software. Contact Samsung or Verizon support for further diagnostics or repair options. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe button.